3, 2, 1.
Hello. If you have ever bought and sold any financial assets until today, you will realize that you have been experiencing stress for no reason to make a profit. When you see the very simple and profitable strategy that you will watch here in this video, we will use the RSI and moving average that everyone knows. Wait, don't say I already know this and stay tuned for the video. I think you have never used these two indicators in this way before. Let's set the indicator settings and start right away. Yes, as you can see, we added a 200 parameter moving average line and to different settings of our SI indicators to our chart. As usual, the moving average will show us the direction of the overall trend, and we will try to find long positions above the line and short positions below the line. The green 50 parameter or SI line at the bottom of our chart will give us a clue to enter the trade, and the fast 8 parameter or S line at the very bottom will show us where to exit the trade. Let's learn right away. Yes, here the red candlestick is closing below the moving average line, and the green RSI line is crossing down the 50 line. This situation informs us that sellers are dominant in the market when entering the trade. We do not consider the fast black RSI line at the bottom. Our first target will be the 1-to-1 level. Those who scalp or trade with leverage may find this profit level sufficient. Investors who want to keep the trade longer can take some profit at this level and continue by moving the stop-loss level to the entry point of the trade. As you can see, we have reached the 1-to-1 profit level. Now, to reduce the risk factor to 0, we are moving the stop-loss level to the entry point of the trade, which is the cost. And now our focus will be on the fast black RSI line at the very bottom. We will close the trade when this RSI line crosses above the 50 level, which is exactly the level when the corresponding candlestick closes, because the possibility of the market reversing direction will increase. We took a position here in favor of the selling crowd, but if buyers dominate the market, the trend may turn upward, and we may lose the profit we have. We have achieved a fantastic profit ratio of almost 1-to-5. When you reach such levels, you should take some profits again. And as soon as this candlestick closed, the black RSI line below crossed the 50 level upwards, we definitely closed the entire trade here. Maintaining discipline and avoiding greed is the first rule for a successful trader. Let's take a look at another example of a short position. Remember, the rules are simple. The price must close below the moving average line, and the green RSI line must also drop below the 50 level. We have reached the 1-to-1 profit level. Now our focus will be on the black RSI line. We will close the position when this RSI line crosses above the 50 level, corresponding to the closing of the candlestick. Remember to stick to the rules, and the green RSI line must cross below the 50 level. Let's now take a look at some examples of long positions. All of our rules are essentially the same, and we simply apply them in reverse to short positions. A green candlestick must cross the moving average line upwards, and the green RSI line must be above the 50 line. The stop loss level will be below the last swing, and the first target is again the 1-to-1 level. Please note that if the black RSI line falls below the 50 line before this level is reached, we will ignore the signal to close this position. After all, there can be no gain without taking a certain amount of risk. Let's take a look at one more example and finish our video. I don't feel the need to repeat the rules because they are very simple. Please don't forget to hit the like button. This will be the biggest help you can give me. That way, we can reach a wider audience. Thank you.